Greetings everyone and welcome to City of Digital once again. And today we'll be solving a lab from portswigger Web Academy, which will demonstrate flawed two-factor verification logic. So let me summarize what will happen in this lab. That is, in this lab, what we will try to do is first we will log in using our valid credentials, and then we will see that how this our browser is sending a GET request to the website, and it is just sending us it is actually generating a two-factor authentication code. So this process actually works once you log in using your valid credentials, and then after that you get a cookie assigned to your account. So once you get that cookie, the cookie is further used to do the interaction with the browser and the website, and the website actually generates a two-factor authentication code use for that cookie. Okay, for example, if we are logging as here it is written Carlos and QWERTY with password, so we will get a cookie named Carlos. Okay, so the account will be Carlos. So this cookie will be further used to validate your account using the two-factor authentication code that will be sent to your email. So once you get the respective code for this cookie, so you will just enter into the browser and it will validate you and let you in. So let's move on to this lab directly and let's try to solve this. So here we can get a valid credentials as Wiener and Peter, and the victim's username is Carlos. So we need to hack Carlos. So first of all, I'll just turn on my suit, and I'll just send my request through suit, and I'll just turn off the intercept. Okay. So I'll go to my account. I'll copy the name. Okay, let it load. Alright, so it has loaded. I'll just paste in the username. I'll just copy the password. I'll paste the password also, and I'll press login. So it's trying to log in. I don't know why, due to some reason this network is a bit slow. And once it's logged in, it's asking us for a 4-digit security code. So I'll just open the email client over here. It will open the email for Vina, the account we logged in as, and we have got the code 0686, right? So I'll just enter here 0686. All right, just let's log in, and you can see that we are successfully in. All right. So what we will do is I'll just click on logout now, and we will now try to hack into Carlos. For that, we don't need this email anymore. So we will go log out, and we will see this page once again. So now what we will do is we will go to pubsuit. You remember we have sent all our requests through perp. So through this proxy using perp. All right. So all the request has been stored and has been recorded in HTTP history. All right. So that's a get request for login, and after that we log in using the post request. So we enter the username and password for our account. So we do not have the victim username and password, right? So after we log in, this is what happens. So this is the main part you need to focus on. So this login too. So once we are logged in, we get our browser actually sends a verification request to generate verification code. So here you can see cookie session and verify winner. So alright, so what we will do is we will send this to repeat. So it actually generates a verification code. for this account winner, for this winner account cookie. So we will go to Peter, we will change this winner to Carlos in order to generate a code for Carlos. So we do not have the username and password, right? So what we can do is we can use this cookie flaw, and we will try to generate a cookie. We will try to generate a code for Carlos. So once we send it, all right. So you might, yeah. So we are getting some response. All right. So now what it has done, that we have generated a security code for Carlos account. So we will once go back to proxy and we will go to the next step. So once we are done with the generation of the code, the next step is this post login. So what we do next is we enter this. If you remember, we enter this multi-factor authentication code that we receive in the email, and it is actually sent in this request format, and we successfully log in. So I'll just send it to intruder once. I'll send it to intruder. In the positions, I'll click clear, and in the verify, I'll just change it to Carlos. Why? Because we are now trying to brute force the security code, multi-factor authentication code for Carlos, right? And in the code, I'll just select the code and I'll just click add. So this request should look something like this. So I'll just go to payloads. I'll select the payload type as numbers. I'll just go from 1 to 9999. So quad nines. So means 4 times 9. So step 1, minimum integer digits is 4, maximum integer is 4, minimum fraction digits 0, maximum fraction digits 0. So now we are done with the setup. So now we'll start the attack. I'll just start the attack. What we need to for is a status 300 here. Once we are done with the attack, so the attack for now, and once the standard code, I'll just resume the video. Also here we can see that we have got the status 300 for this code 1991, and we'll just stop the attack right here, and because we have got the code. All right, so when 1991 and I'll go to source, copy this, and I'll go to my browser and just paste that, just copy it. Click once. Press. And here we see that we saw the lab successfully logged in as card. So this is how we solve this lab, that is two-factor authentication, total logic, and portswigger academy. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.